Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Hold on to your seats because we have an exciting, never-before-seen trailer that will leave you in total awe. I promise you, this is one that you do not want to miss. Are you ready to take a journey through history, where knights faced battles, and castles were more than mere edifices? Then grab your popcorn and buckle up, because Castle Falls is coming. The shot shows a rider galloping towards the castle. The year is 1215, and the armies of King John are storming across the country to defeat his rebel barons. The only obstacle standing in their way is this impenetrable castle. The shot shows a group of archers on the castle walls, firing arrows. The king's army, led by the ruthless commander William de Vernon, sets upon the castle walls, ready to do whatever it takes to quell the rebellion. But they did not expect the fierce resistance that awaited them. The shot shows a knight in combat, unsheathing his sword. The defenders of this castle are battle-hardened warriors, experienced in the art of combat and ready to stand firm in the face of danger. They will fight until they have no more strength left. The shot shows a young woman hiding, watching the battle, but within these walls of stone and wood, there are civilians trying to survive. A young woman, Isabel, who had sought refuge in these walls, suddenly finds herself in the middle of chaos. The shot shows a close-up of Isabel's face, frightened and vulnerable. As the battle rages on, she must summon courage and make daring choices to survive. She must trust strangers, even some with dubious motives, if she is to escape the destruction that befalls those who choose to stay. The shot shows de Vernon approaching the castle walls, with the soldiers behind him. De Vernon, the enigmatic commander, is a force to be reckoned with, but he is unaware of a secret plan that could spell the end for him and his men. The shot shows a knight in the castle, whispering orders to other soldiers. Among the defenders, whispers spread about a secret way out, a tunnel that could evade the king's army. Will they use it? Will they find their way to freedom? The shot shows a close-up of a knight's face, sweating and determined. The defenders of this castle know that this is their last stand. They will die to protect those they love, to defend their land, to uphold the honor of their king. It is a battle that can end in only two ways: victory or death. The shot shows de Vernon breaking through the castle gates. The final moments are upon us, as the castle gates finally succumb to the weight of de Vernon's battering ram. The sound of destruction echoes through the walls, and the defenders can feel the finality of their fate. The shot shows a final stand by the knights. As de Vernon charges forward, the defenders of the castle face a merciless foe, but they will not yield. They will fight until their last breath, until their last drop of blood. They will make their stand, and the world will know they were here. The shot shows the young woman, Isabel, escaping through the tunnel. But what of Isabel? Will she make it out alive? Will she find a better life? You'll have to watch Castle Falls to find out. Castle Falls, a film full of action, emotions, and drama, arrives soon in theaters and promises to be the adventure of a lifetime. Don't miss your chance to see this incredible film. Join us in discovering the untold stories of medieval knights and their fierce battles. Get your tickets now, and get ready for the ride of your life.